Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Today we are going to do some lip swatches and I'm going to use all the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks. They are in all 16 shades which I'm going to try, and I'm going to tell you which are for the fair complexions, which are in which tones, and what all I know. I'll try to get all the knowledge as much as possible to you guys, and without wasting time, let's get started. We have four major pink family colors, which are Video Star, Icon, Trophy Wife and Gossip Girl. Now these four pinks are very different in the range, and like some goes to the purplish pink and some are like pure pink, some are baby pinks, and so I'll just swatch it for you. So the first shade which I'm going to swatch is Trophy Wife, which looks like this. The second one which I'm going to swatch is Icon. It comes in the family of pink as well as reds. So yes, it is a little bit of reddish pink, you can say. The other one is called Video Star, which looks like this. It's a fuchsia pink, very energetic and very young color for all the fair tones out there. And then we have Gossip Girl, which is a little subtle pink, which looks almost good on every Indian skin tone, which goes like this. The first one which you see here, that's Gossip Girl. So these are the hand swatches of all the four, and I'll show you the lip swatches as well. So first one which I'm going to swatch on my lip is going to be Trophy Wife. Let it set and dry. Trophy Wife is really good for fair to medium skin tones. They really suit well on an Indian normal wheatish skin tone. It's not that great for a darker tone, but it's really nice for fair to me, which is neutral and is good for very many colors in India. I will now be swatching something which is really nice for a fairer skin tone, which is Video Star. It looks really bright, really young and very energetic on fairer tones. This is how Video Star looks like. I would say it's the most flamboyant color out of the entire palette. It is a little bit of streaky, but if you build up, it's amazing. I love how it turns out after drying. This is a very fancy and a very tricky color to use. So this was a story for pink, and now we move to the reds. So I would say that they have two colors in reds. One is Cheerleader and one is Heartbreaker. The one color which I showed you in the family of pink, which is called Icon, so goes in the family of red. If you see this color right here, it shows a little bit of red after application, but in the bottle it looks pink. So yeah. So now let's get to the swatches of the red ones, and I'm going to watch. The first color is Cheerleader. This is a little bit of orangish red. And the other color is Heartbreaker. That's a proper blood red color, which usually all the Indian skin loves. This suits on almost every possible person in me. So yeah, this is the Heartbreaker right here, the second one. So I'll be applying Heartbreaker for me because I guess this is one of the best color which I love from the palette. This is how Heartbreaker looks like. I love this color, and according to me, if you compare Cheerleader and Heartbreaker, Heartbreaker is anytime, goodbye, amazing, like to-go color for red. Cheerleader is very much for a fairer skin tone. It doesn't even too much suits a medium skin tone according to me. I love Heartbreaker. Anyone can use this color. It's like a new Ruby Woo from MAC. It looks so elegant with Indian, or you can just pop this color with your little black dress, or even if you're going to attend an Indian wedding or any kind of an event, Heartbreaker is the solution for everything. But there's one color in this entire palette called the Material Girl, which is a little purplish tone. It comes in between the maroon and the purple tone, which I think the camera is not capturing. It's looking too much maroon, but it's like a little bit of purplish mauvish color. And like Material Girl is a picky color, like it doesn't suit everyone. It's gonna be a little difficult for people to carry that color. If you're bold enough to carry, you like bold colors and everything, then Material Girl is your stuff, or else you can skip Material Girl. If you like more simpler, non-riskier colors, then Material Girl is not for you. If you love like Video Star, you like Material Girl or something like that. I hope that you know what I mean. And the next color, which is again a little confusing, is called Trendsetter. This is nude brownish color according to me. I hope I'm right. It is this here, mixture of orange, brown and nude. It's a very earthy and very dusky tone. This looks good on a fairer skin tone. It doesn't look good on a medium to dark. I can swatch this on my lip and show. So this is how Trendsetter looks like. It's very subtle on a fair skin tone as well. So I hope that you understand what I just said. This is a very neutral shade which you can just go out on a lunch or a daytime or office or anything like that, and you can just pop this. It's not too loud, not too subtle. I really like for a daily purpose kind of a lipstick if you are looking out for. So the next shades which I'm going to show you are very earthy and very nude tones, and the color which falls into that is Muse, Medusa, Venus and Bombshell. Now Bombshell is again between pink and nude. So, and all these colors are very much suitable for a fairer skin tone. And one more color which I would like to add to this lot is Flirt. Now all these colors are really nude and they are only good for a fairer skin tone. Now I'm just going to swatch one shade out of everything on my lip, and the color which I'm going to choose here is gonna be Medusa. So Medusa is the darkest nude of the palette and it looks like this. Next one is going to be a maroon shade called Famous, and this is amazing for all skin color. This is Famous, and then comes a very dark brown, that's a gothic brown color called Vixen. Both color are perfect for all skin colors and it looks amazing on every skin type. So I'll be swatching both of the colors on my lips for you so that you know how they look on any kind of skin color. So this is how Famous looks like, and I'm next gonna use is Vixen. So this is Vixen and I love this shade. It's the most amazing shade out of the entire lot. It looks good on fair, medium, dark, any kind of a skin tone. It looks it's like a statement piece color. Like if you just want to apply your eyeliner and you want to go with this look, it's gonna look so amazing, you guys. This will boost up your confidence and it will make you look amazing, like you'll stand out of the crowd. So I really suggest you to buy this color if you are into bold colors, and if you like more simpler and more Indian kind of a tone, you can always go for Heartbreaker. So the Heartbreaker and Vixen are my favorites out of the entire lot. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell icon to get up my haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and hit the notification to get the update every time I upload a new video. This was it and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.